What is up, everyone? What is up with my hair? Today we are going to review a product, and my cat just sneezed. So today we are going to review this well-known sister here, which is the ordinary AHA BHA Peeling Solution. I never tried it because it's scary. It's red and it looks like blood. Whoa. First things first, you gotta wash your face. And now we're gonna put our hair away. I'm basically blind right now. I can't see shit. How do we wear this again? I selalu pakai towel je. But for this video, I'll make it special. And we have the bunny ears here. Pull it up. Since I cannot see anything, I'm gonna wear this. Okay. Oh! Let's see the consistency. I tak baca sangat about the information and stuff, but I know this is good for acne. This thing is a 10-minute exfoliating facial mask, so we only have to wear it 10 minutes. Jangan lebih-lebih, nanti rosak muka kita. Look at the consistency. It looks like blood. You know? Kau dengar tak? I takut lah sebenarnya. What if my face jadi teruk lagi if I wear this? Okay, let's just put it. Oh, it's on my face! It's on my face! I don't know, I think I put too much. I think I put too much. I just... Oh! Okay. I tak bau pun macam mana. Bau dia macam... I tak tahulah. Bau dia macam... Oh, it's quite stinging. Bau dia macam acid. I don't know. I tak tahu nak describe macam mana, but it does smells like acid. So I'm just gonna apply this blood mask. Well, I'm gonna call it blood mask. And I tak boleh apply kat tepi-tepi ni sebab it's really painful. Some pencuci muka buat kulit I mengelupas kat situ, and it's really painful. So I won't apply there. Merah muka I. Kan letak sikit sangat. I don't know. I'm just gonna... Ooh, it burns! Shit. It burns. It's not that bad, but it still burns. I can still feel the weirdness. And then we wait for 10 minutes. Oh! So it has been 10 minutes. So this is how it looks like. Oh, it's not that dry. I'm just gonna go wash my face. So I dah cuci muka I, and I don't know, I can't really feel the difference. Maybe because my skin is not sensitive enough. I don't know. I can't really tell. Oh yeah. Waktu basuh kan senang gila nak basuh dia. Dia tak macam clay mask. Kalau clay mask kan kena cuci. Oh hi! Kucing I. Guys, inilah cara nak pegang kucing, okay? So you put your hand dekat depan ni, macam ni, and make sure you pegang dia punya kaki juga for full support. Not like this, no, like this. You pegang macam ni. Make sure you support both places, the bottom and the top. I can feel my... Okay lah, I rasa my skin is plumped out. I don't know, macam rasa macam bloop. I am terrible at this. So should you buy it or not? It's actually up to you. It's not really an essential thing to have. Tak wajib pun. Benda ni macam short-short sendiri je. Anyway, thanks for watching my useless IG review. Bye. Bye. You say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.